And then we had Kellton Tech. They reported a stable set of numbers in the third quarter. We're currently joined by Mr. Niranjan, the co-founder and chairman of the company. Hi, Niranjan. Always good to see you in. Well, you've done what, around 160 crores approximately in this quarter. Now, for you to reach, that golden mark of around 650 crores for this fiscal, will you be doing 200 crores or something near that so that, we touch that 650 crore mark?
Good morning, Nigel. Like I was said last time, we're going to be around 625 to 650 crores is what we are targeting for to close the year at, and we are very confident that we'll be achieve that number. So that should not be an issue for us, given the growth that we are going year, quarter on quarter, and that should be easily achievable for us.
Okay, so 625 to 650 crore would be the broad revenue range that you're giving us for the full year. Niranjan, there were certain reports which came out about 2 months ago which suggested that the company is buying assets from MCS Global, which is an IT company based in Virginia, and you were hoping to close the transaction very soon. Has there been any update on that or any other acquisition?
We have closed the MCS. It's just a few assets that we bought, a few people, as well as some, clients that we acquired from MCS. To answer your second question on acquisitions, like I was saying earlier, we are always on the lookout. We are in various stages of discussion. As soon as we get somewhere close to some kind of announcement, we will make that announcement.
What's the size of the acquisition you're looking at, Niranjan? If you could tell us that, how will you fund it as well? Some details on that front?
So we don't look at acquisition based on revenue. We look at acquisition based on what we believe is the need for the company. We look at two areas of the strategy. One is to buy customers, or we buy capability. So the targets that we have are varying. So whichever one closes the soonest, we will do it.
Okay.
And to talk about how we're going to fund it, we're going to be funding it by debt and internal accruals.
Okay. Niranjan, when we had spoken to you earlier in the year, you had said that EBITDA margin should be around 14%, while profit margin should be closer to 9%. Your ballpark in that range for this year, would that be the comfortable margin, EBITDA margin as well as net profit margin that you would like to sustain even for FY18?
FY18, there should be some improvement.
Both margins?
So like I was saying earlier, Rima, we've been hiring people to take us to the next goal of achieving that 2,000 crore mark, probably in FY20 or FY21. To achieve that goal for us, we have to have the right people to take us there. So we've been hiring aggressively to get us the top management. Hence, there's a margin squeeze, and we should start seeing the margin improvement. Our goal is within 3 years, we should be around 16% EBITDA and close to 10 to 11% when it comes to PAT.
All right, Niranjan, you've been talking about this QIP for the longest time now. Is there any clarity on that? If you could tell us, what's the demand like? I don't know, today's a bad day for the market actually, but the markets have been good on the whole. So when you planning on coming out with that QIP?
We don't have a target in mind there, Nigel. As soon as we have some news, we'll absolutely notify you on that. But today, we don't have any dates as such.
All right, Niranjan, thanks so much for joining.